See, they got me this vlog camera, and now they're regretting getting me this vlog camera because I'm actually really enjoying using it. What's up, everybody? Got another vlog coming at you. Myself and Kai and Candace and Houston and Wade and our entire kin team, we are all headed on the road to do a work trip. We're headed to Calgary and then headed to Halifax. Getting off the plane, seeing our friends, going to work. It's funny, I get a lot of opportunities to travel for work. People think it's a vacation. Oh, enjoy your holiday. It's not. I'm still working. Just a different seat. That's it. I'm sitting on a hotel bed. That's the only more difference. So we're at the Hilton Garden Inn, pretty straight up room. Nice washroom though. Like, I always judge a hotel room by the shower. And I like, mi piace. These are to be taken with me. Yeah, so just literally got off the plane here in Calgary, driving all day, and it's my first time ever driving in Calgary. So please, if you've been to Calgary before, what is with all the one-way streets? And it's like you're on a road downtown, and next thing you know, you're on the highway. Never seen this before, but it's gonna be a fun day tomorrow. We got a 6 a.m. wake-up time, a little free breakfast. Yes, hotel breakfast. Then we go from there. Good morning. It's very early at the Calgary airport. No. Hotel room.
Where are you?
I'm not in an airport. I'm in a hotel room. I'm tired. You're more tired though. I have no excuse. Anyways, we are headed out on the road today. But first, breakfast buffet. Breakfast buffet. Breakfast buffet.
I'm so excited to see you.
She's not feeling it. See, they got me this vlog camera, and now they're regretting getting me this vlog camera because I'm actually really enjoying using it. Okay, let's go get some overcooked powdered eggs, some bacon, and toast. All right, the day's about to start. This beauty red vehicle behind us is a badass Chevy truck. That is the office for the day. So I can't do this while we're actually filming and driving today, but this is kind of the project we're working on. I mean, it's funny how my old career and my new career, not new career, my current career, constantly come together. Yeah, long days, but I'm just so fortunate to call this my job. Driving a truck all day, going to farms and restaurants. We're all done in Calgary. We're leaving the next couple hours to go to Halifax. And it's been non-stop work since we've been here. Yesterday I got a chance to see my great Zio, who's my grandfather's only living brother. My grandfather passed away like 7 years ago. So I got to see him, and it was very emotional. I was very emotional by it because he just reminds me of my grandfather a lot. Anyways, so that was great. It was a great way to end Calgary. And now we're gonna have breakfast. Okay, so we're going to Halifax. One of my favorite parts of Canada, East Coast Canada. People are the nicest. The food is the best. The beer is always flowing. The weather can be sketchy, but if you've ever been to East Coast Canada, you know what I mean. There's a sense of love and hospitality there you can't get anywhere else. Nova Scotia. I love it out here. Middle of nowhere. 2 hours outside of Halifax, headed to a motel in Sober Island.
Stars! Did you see the sun? The moon?
Yeah, we saw
See
the
the
sun.
sun?
What stars do you see?
You have no new messages.
We've arrived at the motel. We're staying quiet because we already got shushed. You got us in trouble. I did. You're so loud. We're cleaning our bugs. Shut up. I've had bacon and eggs every day for 4 days.
That's why I have to do that.
And I'm okay with that.
Like an idiot.
Final day in Halifax. We've just wrapped up work. Look at the boats. Look at the water. No sun today, unfortunately. I've noticed there's 2 types of weather here. It's either really, really beautiful and stunning or super, super rainy. So unfortunately today is not the nicest looking day, but that's not going to change our perspective. No, in fact, we have a great day, or we're having a great day. We just wrapped with our project with Chevrolet. I had an amazing day yesterday, oyster fishing. Not only did I eat the best oysters I think I've ever had in my life, but we just met some of the most amazing people and had some of the best conversations about food that I've ever had. So that was a lot of fun. Now I'm on the pier, about to have like a goodbye lunch with everybody at a place called the Bicycle Thief. And yeah, I'm gonna really miss Halifax. So I am going to, it's been honestly really long 5 days. Days have started really early. They've ended really late. I got to talk a lot, so obviously I'm talking more now because this is what we do. But I am going to enjoy a nice glass of wine and a f***ing plate of pasta because it's been a long week. The whole team has just worked so hard. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's great to see things happen to good people that work really hard. Okay, that's all. Well, not all. This isn't done yet, but all for now.